Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor for Blodgett part number 32302. The motor for Blodgett part number 32302 is a direct replacement motor for Blodgett ovens. It is a 1/3 HP 115V 60 Hz 1725 RPM motor with a 5/8 diameter shaft. This motor is designed to replace the original motor in Blodgett ovens and is compatible with models ZEPHAIRE-E, ZEPHAIRE-G, MARK V, MARK VI, MARK VII and MARK VIII. The motor has an overload protector and comes with mounting hardware. It also features an open drip-proof enclosure and a Class B insulation system. This motor is designed to provide reliable performance and long life in commercial kitchen. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement motor for Blodgett ovens. It is used to replace a faulty or worn-out motor and can help to fix symptoms such as the oven not heating up properly, the fan not running, or the oven not turning on. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the oven door and then remove the screws that hold the motor in place. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the old motor and then remove it from the oven. 4. Install the new motor in place and reconnect the wiring harness to it. 5. Securely fasten the motor in place with screws and then reattach the oven door. 6. Reconnect power to the oven and test to make sure that it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.